Alright, it's about time I put a little love in my brother's truck. He's been gone since December 31st, 2013. So that's 10 years. And I've had it about 7 or 8 years. I've neglected it a good bit. It's just been sitting around. And any small problems have probably done become big problems. And any big problems that it had are probably just stupid by now. But I'm gonna put a little extra money in it, try to make it look good, sound good, run good, and I'm hoping I can make him proud. And this is in remembrance of Timothy Threlkeld. I love you, bub.